welcome back to my channel. My name is Arlyne Sanjines. Today's video is going to be my first fall video for this season. Fall fashion, fall recipe, everything like fall related. We're also gonna make some cute like Halloween treats with Meadow when she wakes up from her nap. She's actually at the park right now and my mother-in-law is coming back soon with her. So I feel like I'm just mixing it all into one video, a lifestyle video, but it has everything that hopefully you guys enjoy. If you guys do end up enjoying the video, please give it a thumbs up. That lets me know that you guys enjoy these types of videos. Subscribe, follow me on Instagram. That's where I post pretty much daily. So make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and let's start with the video. So I'm gonna do a crock pot, super easy, like a chicken veggie soup, I guess. It's literally the easiest thing. I feel like most people know how to make this, but it's one of those things where a lot of times you forget about a simple recipe like this and then you just like see someone post it and you're like, oh yeah, I can make that tomorrow. That's exactly what happened. My friend posted it and I was like, oh my gosh, like what did you put in it? I was like, it'll just spark an idea, and that's exactly what we're doing. So just gonna do some chicken broth, green beans, a few veggies. Let's start. You guys can see I'm wearing comfy shorts, but we had the craziest heat wave last week, which is why I feel like people started posting fall content. And I know I used to also, like the first day of September, it's like, oh, it's fall, but it was like over 100 degrees. Like there was no way I can get into the fall spirit. Seriously, crock-pot meals are just the easiest and quickest thing of life. Chopping and prepping is what takes the longest, but if you buy something like chopped onions and chopped bell peppers, that's half the battle already. The only thing I'm gonna do is clean up and chop these green beans and then the zucchini as well, and I'll be right back. You're gonna help me? Wait, but first I wanna see you. You're gonna stand right there and wait? Look how cute you look. Did you have fun at the park?
Yeah.
Yeah? What did you do?
Play kids.
You played with the kids?
Yeah. Right outside.
You went down the slide and you cleaned the spider webs? What is it?
A cup.
Oh, the cup.
The truth will soon break. A new day is on the rise. The promises we...
These Vince booties are like amazing quality, but they're still $200. First glance, I was like, oh, it's cute. Let's try it on. I like really like it. I love the hood on it. I feel like anytime I try to do like this layered look, the sweater, like the hooded sweater underneath, just gets way too hot and it's way too thick, like in the arms. It just gets uncomfortable. This is like a faux little hood on here, so it gives it that look and you don't have to throw an extra layer on. Do I need it? That's the question. I like the muted colors on this, but it's just not calling my name. Nothing about it is like standing out to me. Cuter than the last one, but I think I'm still not crazy about it. It's just, when you know, when I put it on, I'm like, oh, I love it. This is not one of them, so I'm gonna put this one back too. Okay, found another rack with more coats. I like this, but I like this brown one even more. And then this one is also really cute. I think my favorite is the brown one. I love how like muted it is. So far my favorite of all the other ones that I've tried on. Yeah, I like this one way more than everything else. I'm gonna try on the brown one too though. Okay, winner. This one is so cute. This color denim doesn't go with a lot of these, so I feel like that's just kind of throwing things off a little right now, but with like a darker denim or just like a different shade, I feel like it'll look a lot cuter. But overall, I like this. I feel like it's gonna go with so many different outfits.
Nobody's losing.
All right, onto the haul portion. So went to H&M, and the rack like I showed you guys, and I feel like I got like the perfect amount of pieces to like start my fall wardrobe for this year. So I got the blazer that I showed you, this light nude sweatshirt, and then these boots that I'm actually really obsessed with. They come in black. I might have to go back and get them in black, especially because they were super affordable. I think they were they 40 or 30? Okay, let's start with the rack, just because I spent the most time there, and I actually like really took my time kind of browsing and finding like the best stuff. So I got this jacket. This is the RDI brand, and this one was $55, but there were some that were a lot more affordable, but this one, it was just the only one that like really caught my attention, that I really love the pattern on it and the colors. Oh my god, like I just realized I could totally wear this with the outfit today, minus like a different hat, but it's just one of those that is gonna go with so many different things. So definitely a staple. I will try to find these exact pieces and link them down below. I know these boots were online because I almost bought them online, but then I was like, I want to try them on in store because they had a lot of reviews about sizing. Okay, and then these boots I had to get also because I had some, was it last year or the year before? I think it was the year prior, that I wore almost every single day. I wore them so much that they like eventually kind of ripped, and usually I have so many boots that I don't ever wear one pair so much. But anyways, they were basically almost like identical, except they were more of like this canvas material, but they were the same brand, Sam Edelman boots. They're so cute. Are these actual like, oh, these are also waterproof. Oh my gosh. I guess I didn't need the rain boots. No, but I did because the other ones are really cute. This color is freaking stunning also. They're just beautiful, like really good high quality boots. I wish you guys can feel them. Like they feel amazing, and I like that it has kind of like that slimmer toe. More classic, go with so many different outfits. Love the color. Oh yeah, they're Sam Edelman, it says right there on the side. That's everything that I got at the rack, but I only get 3 things. But they're essentials. Like these boots, you guys, I'm telling you, I love me some boots. And then H&M, I got a few things also. The sweater I showed you, this blazer, I will link it all below. And then this striped sweatshirt, it was $17.99. It's more of like a lighter material, which again, I really like, especially for layering. I feel like California's fall is all about layering. And I like the colors of it. Thought it was something different, striped, as opposed to just like plain like this one. And then I also got this hat that I'm wearing. This hat right here, this one's just a black like corduroy material. I know Target has some that are almost identical, and they might be the same price at Target too, because I just got one from Target as well. I think it was also $15. Oh, and then I also got this right here that I didn't try on. I should probably try it on right now. It looked very like masculine, but I don't know, it still called my name. I was like, it was definitely in the women's section. At first I thought, is this supposed to be like men's? It looks like something that belongs to Weston, but I just really liked it. So it's kind of like a really soft denim over jacket. I think that's why I really liked it. It's the fact that it's like more of like that flexible feel as opposed to like a super stiff denim, and the color of it, just like this nude color. Oh, this is what made me think like it's for men, like this little black tag there. I don't know, we'll have to try it on. I feel like we can style this and make it look super cute. That's everything from H&M. The other 2 things I got are actually for Meadow. I feel like I never show you guys the things that I buy for her, and I buy so much. So let me know if you guys want to see more like toddler hauls, because I feel like I buy way more for her than I buy for myself, because her stuff just, you know, it's gonna look cute, like no matter what, because it's her, it's gonna look cute. So I got this. It's coming off a lot more orange on camera. It's definitely orange, but it's more of like a burnt orange. Anyways, oh, I got this in a size 5'6", because I like that really oversized look. The only thing is the arms are gonna be really big, so I am gonna have to roll them a few times probably. So I got that one. I got the same exact one in this cream color, because this will go with everything. The thing with these knits, sometimes they get really stretchy, and maybe I could have gone down one side. That's everything that I got as far as my fall haul. Now, Meadow will be waking up from her nap soon, actually in the next like 15-20 minutes. So we're gonna make those Halloween treats. And then, oh, the soup should be ready, I think like 2 more hours. Okay, here is the denim jacket, and the verdict is I love it. I'm so glad I actually got it. The fit it's so good. I think I like this better than the blazer that I was wearing as far as today's outfit. So I'm gonna keep this one, well, later when it starts to get a little chilly. But like, how cute is this? I love this like oversized kind of grungy look. So yeah, I'll link it below. Look, do you want me to show you the picture of what they're gonna look like? See those spiders? Peanut butter jelly spider.
Yeah, eyes.
It has eyes and you can eat it.
Yeah, I eat it all.
You're gonna eat it all? Oh, put it down in the middle. Look, this one's a little bit different than yesterday.
This one.
Okay, see, you gotta push it all the way down. Push, 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 hard.
100.
You wanna do it?
Yeah.
Dip it. And put it on. Spread it all over. Interesting.
This one.
Yeah, use the knife. Oh. Dedo. Can you help me put the legs on? Like the picture we saw. I'll show you what it looks like then.
Piggy.
In the picture, huh? Considering that you like that much. Okay, look, we're gonna put on the top. Maybe he has a little hair. There you go. Now he needs 2 little eyeballs. There we go.
The jam.
We got a little spider. You like my spider?
Yeah.
You wanna eat it?
Yeah.
You wanna show them your spider? This is her spider.
And me.
You did it! That's a cool looking spider, huh? She took an eyeball. Hey! You ate the eyeball? It has 3 eyeballs? Yep. Whoa, it has more eyeballs? What are you doing? Look it! Meadow, do you see the bananas? Okay, you try. Drizzle, drizzle, drizzle. Whoa!
Mommy!
You're doing such a good job! Gotta leave the eyeballs there, Dedo. Grab from the bag if you're gonna steal my eyeballs. What did you do? What'd you make?
With this.
What is it?
This. With my eye. Camera.
On the camera?
Yeah.
It's your ghost. It's frozen. You gotta hold it. Look at her, look at her.
With my eye. Camera.
On the camera?
Yeah.
Okay, this is pretty good.
She likes the banana.
Love you, Daddy.
I looked up.
I love you, Daddy. She's too busy staring at herself.
Look at my eye. Look at my eye.
Oh, it's good.
Camera.
The camera is focusing on her eye, so there's a little square on it.
Oh.
And share on my eye.
That's why she keeps saying her eyes.
And my eye is share on my eye.
There's a square on your eye?
Yeah. Look at camera.
In the camera? And you look so pretty?
Look at camera. Got share on my eye.
You got a square on your eye?
Yeah. What's I doing?
What's Daddy doing?
Okay, bye. Love you.
Mommy, I see you. I see you.
You see